Welcome to ISTV English News for the top story at this hour. Many feel rise in private tuitions is due to bans and blockades and teachers' failure to teach students with dedication. And Sound Archive special session for senior citizens held at Manipur State Archives to strengthen emotional integrity. Now the news in detail. Many responsible persons have expressed their concern over the rise in school children taking private tuitions from an early age in Manipur. They felt this is due to the frequent bans and blockades called by various organizations throughout the year, affecting academic atmosphere in schools and failure on the part of the teachers to provide proper education to the students. Talking to the ISTV News, MU Vice Chancellor Professor S.N.K. Sharma, Council of Higher Secondary Education Chairman Dr. Hamam Nabachandra and Board of Secondary Education Manipur Chairman P. Dhanakumar shared their views on the problem and suggestions to solve the problems.
Manipur thoiba ban sing, blockade sing, journalist rising asina, school zatpagi sang asiyamna handarapa. Maruina private tuition tawra ise maji government isu private isu asasing adum loi involved taw loi na adum taw aduna school sing sida phajana takpi daba school sing da phajana course se complete oi hauda masina madam di amane
makoina tuition taiba makoina tuition da anang sing sida yam seriously takpi riba sumaina school da takpi ragadi anang sing si Henna school lom da emphasis pigatra haibase conservative mota
education da commercialize ro parent learning na hena emphasis piroko sigum me aung to ko sila fundamental clear or to sila angang na higher class la higi tuition to ujang de
Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman Dr. N.G. Bijoy has stated that solar lamps will be installed in all the important roads in Kurai and an industrial estate will also be established in his constituency to generate employment to the youth. Inaugurating a community hall constructed by Manipur Development Society today at Kurai Ngomlaikai observed that the people of the constituency have witnessed changes and the state government is making efforts to bring about a better change. He also stated as National Highway 150 will pass through Kurai and the people of the area will see a considerable improvement in their lives in near future.
Industrial estate Nationally, Madhumalu Salagadi, Baro Sargana, Tagarani, Masida, Pisa, Dugiadagi, Sentoplangi, Mayama, Loyal Adam, and Swazi and the Lam, Matanamada, Mina, Lamtum, the Lambado, Tunga, Dumala, as it's Swai, the Gudi, Swai, the
Solidarity event Trans Queen Contests Northeast 2013 was jointly organized by All Manipur Nupi Manbi Association and Solidarity and Action Against the HIV Infection in India SATI with assistance from American Jewish World Services at Vegas Center Open Air Theatre Board last night. Taking part in event, Max Joint Director Abhiram Mongzam informed the audience that Manipur AIDS Control Society has been making efforts to control HIV/AIDS among transgenders by launching various projects in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thawal and Bishnupur. New projects have also been launched in Chuchanpur and Senapati with Sati. 29% of transgenders were found infected with HIV/AIDS in a survey conducted for the first time in Manipur. Aviram also appealed to the people not to look down on the transgenders but encourage them in their struggle to lead a better life in the society.
Manipur high-level community Maraksida work over project I could Mapam Marida Lere, Mayam the Seza, the Suri and Tuxere, Imphal East West, Aduga, Bishnupur, Thawal, high-level districts like HIVS, Hinanabagi activities, I National AIDS Control Program, Makada, I Parks and I look at
Altogether, 33 participants from Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Manipur took part in the contest, which included traditional, creative, formal and questions and answer rounds. Beyond Slaishram won the title while Nipan Rajkumari and Sundar Khaidem were declared first runners-ups and second runners-up respectively. Nikki Marwin of Meghalaya was chosen Best of the Northeast. A special session on sound archives for Sena citizens was held today at the premises of the Manipur State Archives, Kaisampad, on the second day of the 34th Archives Week celebration cum record exhibition. Dr. M. Kriti Padmasri Awadi was the moderator of the seminar, where distinguished senior citizens of the state like R.V. Mingting, Stefan Angkhang, R.K. Rajendro and several academicians took part in the discussion. Many speakers shared their experience during the seminar and felt that there is a crying need to strengthen emotional integrity among various communities living in the state. They also said the need of the hour is to discuss various issues and work together towards bringing about a solution to the problem and make Manipur a peaceful state.
Manipur's capital yam harola yam nuaida yam inna kumna lega makai na suda lega yumna kare lega ashi ko yengsing bidridi ashi Manipur ke award pa ma lai hai appeal to.
Before we wind up, here is the headlines once again. Many fuel rise in a private tuitions is due to bunds and blockades and teachers' failure to teach students with dedication. And Sound Archive special session for senior citizens held at Manipur State Archives to strengthen emotional integrity. Thank you for watching ISTV News, but stay tuned for more news update.